Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Roku remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Roku user, transforming your streaming experience from a chore into a seamless journey through your favorite content. This isn't just about changing channels, it's about unlocking the full potential of your smart TV, offering intuitive control and effortless navigation that can make all the difference in how you interact with your entertainment hub. Imagine effortlessly browsing through thousands of apps, adjusting settings with a single click, and never having to hunt for that misplaced remote again, all thanks to a device designed for ultimate convenience and user satisfaction. Number 5. Loutoc Replacement Remote for Roku TV. This remote is specifically designed for all Roku TV models. Please note, it is not compatible with any Roku streaming sticks or boxes. Experience a superior remote with an extended transmitting distance of over 25 feet and a rapid 0.3-second response time. Its buttons are built to last, supporting over 120,000 clicks. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Disney+, P-Video, and Hulu. It's the perfect replacement for your old or damaged remote. Getting started is effortless. No programming or setup is needed. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and you're ready to control your TV. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and silicone, this remote offers a comfortable grip and exceptional durability. The buttons are soft, ensuring a sensitive and responsive experience. What we like. This remote is specifically designed for Roku TVs, offering a quick response time and convenient shortcut buttons for popular streaming services. If you have a Roku TV and are looking for a direct replacement that enhances your viewing experience with easy access to your favorite apps, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a simple, no-fuss solution to control their Roku TV. What people say. All the buttons, including the Google TV shortcuts and 4K ULED controls, respond great. It wakes up quickly. The main button responds on first press. Motion tracking is smooth and stable. Worked great. Put the batteries in and it was ready to go. I like it better than the original that came with TV because the up down right left arrows are solid white as opposed to the original which was just an outline of an arrow. Easier to see the solid arrows at a glance. No more hitting wrong buttons. Number 4. 2-pack replacement remote for Roku Express, Premiere, Box, Player, 1-4. Introducing a 2-pack of replacement remotes designed for various Roku models. These are perfect for your Roku Express, Premiere, Player, and models 1-4. Please note, these remotes are not compatible with Roku sticks or Roku TVs. They also lack volume control, a power button, headphone jack, pairing button, and voice search functionality. If your original remote has a pairing button or a headphone jack, this replacement will not work for you. Ensure your current remote does not have these features before purchasing. Enjoy seamless access to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. Easily launch Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney Plus with a single press. Get started in seconds. These remotes work right out of the box with no programming required. Just insert 2 AAA batteries and they're ready to go. Your purchase includes 2 replacement remotes and 1 user manual. Experience long-distance transmission up to 8 meters and a quick 0.2-second response time. What we like. This is a great option if you own Roku Express, Premiere, or older Roku boxes and need a replacement. It comes in a convenient 2-pack and features shortcut buttons for quick access to streaming channels. If you're looking for an affordable way to get multiple remotes for your Roku boxes and don't need volume or power control on the remote itself, this pack is ideal. What people say. Works very well. Better than original remote. This remote works great for that and makes it much easier to fast-forward sports games and things. Setup is quick and easy. The unit is lightweight and seems to be sturdy. You don't have to point at the screen to make it work. It uses common AAA batteries. Excellent alternative to my no longer functional Apple TV remote. It works as advertised and have had no issues. It also automatically synced my LG TV. Number 3. GE Designer Series 4 Device Universal Remote. Introducing the GE Designer Series Universal Remote. Its modern brushed finish complements any decor, and it's available in 5 stylish colors. This versatile remote can manage up to 4 audio and video components. It seamlessly operates TVs, Blu-ray players, streaming devices, soundbars, and more. With a comprehensive code library, it works with all major brands and thousands of the latest and legacy audio-video components. Check our code list for compatibility. Get started quickly with easy online setup videos. Enjoy the convenience of master volume control, allowing you to adjust the volume regardless of the active device. Navigate your entertainment with ease thanks to its intuitive button layout. It includes essential buttons like menu, guide, DVR controls, and even sub-channel access. It requires 2 AAA batteries, which are not included. Please note that it is not compatible with Roku Streaming Stick or Amazon Fire TV Stick. What we like. This universal remote is designed to control up to 4 different audio-video components, including TVs, Blu-ray players, and streaming media players, with a master volume control. If you're tired of juggling multiple remotes and want a single device that simplifies controlling your home entertainment system, especially with its easy setup and broad brand compatibility, this is a solid pick. It's perfect for those who want consolidated control without complex programming. What people say. This thing was incredibly easy to set up. It took me all of about 7 minutes to pair it up to the TV, Roku, and DVD VCR unit, and I've got room on the remote for a couple more devices if I ever need to do that. Works like a charm. Because it's a universal remote, you just have to remember to press the button corresponding to the device you want to control, so TV for the TV, DVD for the VCR DVD unit and AUX for the Roku. Easy. This remote even has the little house or home button for the Roku, you can use that or the menu button, both do the same thing. This remote is very slim and easy to hold and use. Codes work for Roku devices with infrared receiver, check your model before purchase. It also has a asterisk button for Roku and the button's layout is intuitive and works as well as the regular Roku remote. Number 2. Philips Universal Remote Control SRP 4229B28. Simplify your entertainment setup. This remote can control up to 4 different audio and video devices, including TVs, Blu-ray players, and soundbars. Never worry about compatibility again. It features the best remote code library, supporting thousands of devices from all major brands. Get started right away. The TV and streaming device buttons are pre-programmed for immediate use with Samsung TVs and Roku streaming boxes. Setup is a breeze. Just add batteries and enjoy easy automatic code searching or direct code entry, plus primary audio control. It looks as good as it feels. The brushed electric blue finish adds a stylish touch, while its compact design fits comfortably in your hand. What we like. This universal remote offers control for up to 4 devices and comes pre-programmed for Samsung TVs and Roku streaming boxes, simplifying setup for many users. If you have a Samsung TV or a Roku box and are looking for a stylish, easy-to-use remote that can also manage other devices, this is an excellent choice. Its ergonomic design and straightforward programming make it suitable for anyone seeking a blend of functionality and aesthetics. What people say. It is super easy to program, it has some really cool features, and it works flawlessly. This remote was easy to set up for each of my devices and allowed me access to all the functions and menus on each device, when the correct code was used. The numbers do work for selecting channels. You have to use the complete channel number, for example 4.1, then press enter. Number 1. SofaBaton X1S Universal Remote. Introducing the SofaBaton X1S, the ultimate smart universal remote designed to simplify your home entertainment. It seamlessly controls up to 60 devices across IR, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. With an extensive database supporting over 6,000 brands and 500,000 device models, it ensures 100% compatibility with current and future devices. This library is continuously updated, keeping you ahead of the curve. Effortlessly manage your home theater with custom one-click activities. Set up personalized scenes like Watch TV to automatically power on all your devices and configure them to the correct settings with a single press. The included hub provides stable, 360-degree control from anywhere in the room, eliminating the need to aim directly at your devices. Its discreet design allows it to be hidden in cabinets for a clutter-free look. Integrate with Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless voice control. Simply command it to play music or activate your favorite entertainment scenes, and it will respond instantly. Navigate easily in low light with backlit tactile buttons. Misplaced it? Use the app to make it beep loudly, and enjoy the convenience of the raised awake feature that illuminates the screen when you pick it up. Customize your remote by adding virtual buttons for single or multiple commands directly on the screen. Quickly access favorite channels or navigate complex menus with personalized macro commands. What we like. This is an all-in-one smart universal remote that can control up to 60 devices via IR, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, featuring custom activities and voice control integration. If you have a complex home entertainment setup with many different devices and want the ultimate convenience of one-touch activities and voice commands, this is the remote for you. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who want to streamline their entire entertainment experience and enjoy advanced customization. What people say. The level of customizability is outstanding. You're not just limited to basic power and input commands, you can actually build activities that chain multiple actions together seamlessly. The hardware itself feels solid and well thought out. The remote is comfortable in the hand, and the hub connectivity works reliably with my devices. It's a true, all-in-one solution that has eliminated the clutter of multiple remotes on the coffee table. Slick remote with intuitive interface. Unlimited device control. Able to control complex activities. Stellar customer service. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.